In today's video, let's talk about how to use SoundCloud Go. Welcome back everyone to a new guide video. SoundCloud Go is a premium feature inside of SoundCloud that has a bunch of benefits such as offline listening or ad-free experience. In order for you to use the SoundCloud Go, you need to first of all subscribe. So open up a web browser and you can search for checkout.soundcloud.com/go. Or what you can also do is search for SoundCloud Go and head over to the first link. Once you're inside of this platform, there are two plans that you can select, either the SoundCloud Go or SoundCloud Go Plus. These are the two benefits that you get with the SoundCloud Go, and these are all the 5 benefits that you get with SoundCloud Go Plus. The extra being the access to full catalogs, mix tracks with the selected DJ apps, as well as higher quality audios. So depending upon what you need, you can start a free trial, a 7-day free trial for SoundCloud Go, and a 30-day free trial for SoundCloud Go Plus. So just click on one of these options, add in your payment details, and then subscribe to it. So that's all there is for this video. That was a quick tutorial on the way that you use the SoundCloud Go. If this video did help you out, be sure to subscribe and also give this video a thumbs up. That's pretty much all for today. I'll see you in the next video.